Wishing a 4 BHK fully furnished with electronics in Rushi Tower, one of the most popular, a brand, a unique tower. This one, a most sought after. This is towards Lokhandwala back road, and as you go ahead, you find Love and Latte and great outlets across. You got your garden there and celebration club right next to Rushi Tower. Let's go and have a look with a couple of car park as well. Wishing a fully furnished with electronics 4 BHK Rushi Tower, Lokhandwala. It's a nicely designed, a well designed apartment. A lot of space as we enter, as you can see, and they've been doing upgradation and maintenance quarterly, every quarter. So that's how it is maintained. Italian marble flooring, good chandeliers. That's the staff room and the bathroom. So let's not get inside because they got staff inside. There we go, that's a live-in space. Now that was another bedroom with a bathroom. They've converted it and made it a part and assimilated into the live-in space. But now again, what you can do is slide the door here like this, and from there it becomes another big nice bedroom. French windows, and those were the windows which was half. Now they made it like a full with the grills outside. Lokhandwala back road towards this side, celebration club. It's always overlooking that place, and this is your apartment, a gorgeous and a swish with a lot of nice storage and showcase units. Dining space is stupendous as well. I want to show you this. So you can slide this door this way and this becomes a bedroom, and slide it from there as well. And that was your bathroom. They converted into a space like that. So you want to make it and convert it back into the bathroom, you can. So you can use this as your guest room or AV room or study or whatever you like, your guest bedroom, family room. Yeah, that's what it is. A lot of open skies and open view from all sides. Excellent, good wallpapers as well everywhere, as you can see. So let's go and have a look at the kitchen first. So that's a bedroom where you can have access to, this has been done common as well as attached. Let's go and have a look at this one in a minute. You got a big and a nice, spacious and a capacious kitchen with a lot of cabinets. It's a fully equipped, fully done up apartment. Have a look at the dryer and the utility area. It's humongous. This way all the way until here with the wash, utility dry and everything. Celebration club. As you can see, a lot of indoor plants, good, nice, different cactuses, and as you can see, exotic plants have been kept here. This is a celebration club, one of the most famous and celebrated clubs. So you don't need to go anywhere, just hop, skip and jump to your fitness and daily lifestyle. That's a big bedroom here, so you can open this up, shut this, and this becomes your attached as well. We've got everything like a French window, so it gives in a lot of expanse look, view, and the lights and air coming in. So it's very airy. As you can see, the storage and good wood use as well. So veneer, polished, and a highest quality, so it doesn't rust, it doesn't, the termites can never enter. That's what it is. Highly and quality designed apartment. That's your wooden flooring in one of the bedrooms. Again, a lot of planters and plants around. You got storage in the bathroom, nice swish, and a posh bathroom which the shower area as well. So rich interiors and richly designed, a high quality, high class apartment. That's another bedroom, more than 1500 square feet carpet area. After all the extension as well, it can go beyond and further. Have a look at the wardrobes. So like a wavy, good shape given, and the ensuite. There you go, and that's your bedroom. Wow, that's beauty. A lot of greenery as well. Lokhandwala and Rushi Tower, the most sought after. 4 BHK, more than 1500 square feet, 2 car park spaces, middle floor, fully furnished with electronics. You don't need to bring anything, just bring your car and clothes, and bingo. Advertise, rent, sell your properties on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook with Rafiq Merchant. If you want to have a look at this one, holla at me. Let's have a look at this angle. It looks beautiful.